King news, my lovely, wonderful people. Not be smarting with all the hear the matter so. And it's really, really disheartening. Now be say they make heart the court person say, wisdom did this thing where people they do so. Is there wisdom in it at all? Is there wisdom in it at all? Why will people choose to behave and act or do things in such a way and manner? This is unbelievable. This is sad. Guess what? They use Nigeria till they do their playground. Now, Olusegun Obasanjo, they tell us, so former president of Nigeria, top secret reveal. Nigerian government sold a ship for $500K. They can't buy the same ship for who they sell and give $2 million. They can't repair the ship $1.5 million. Who be fool for this matter? Just they ask question. No be ask anybody na fool. They ask question. You see the people we put in our government, it's what they do. How your heart do you when you hear the matter so? How your heart do you when you hear the matter so? Not be me just they talk the matter, and Olusegun Obasanjo they tell us. Say things wey be say belong to the nation, some individuals sell and throw away. They sell and throw away for their personal idiosyncrasies so that they will share the money. $500K, they share the money quickly because they wanted it. They guess what? When the nation can't need the money, the country can't send $2 million they buy the thing. Meanwhile, you know what we call wear and tear. The thing at the door, it don't depreciate in value. They get to repair them. They can't spend 1.5 million to repair them. Who be fool for this matter? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. People who they put as leaders, so people who they put as leaders, those of them already support them. According to a news that was published by the cable online, it was reported that former President Olusegun Obasanjo, who twice led Nigeria as both military head of state between 1976 and 1979, and later as an elected civilian president in 1999 to 2007, during an interview recently, has given his opinion on a wide range of issues affecting Nigeria. During the interview, Obasanjo was told that when he was the military head of state, he believed in state ownership. He was a charged man when he returned as a democratically elected president in 1991. In 1999, he was ready to put the country right back on track. And as I was asked what happened. He said, during my tenure as the military head of state, we initiated the consultation of 19 new ships for Nigeria. National Shipping Line, NNSL, a federal government-owned entity at the time. NNSL possesses approximately 5 ships, and our plan was to increase the fleet to a total of 24 ships. We received some of these ships before leaving office, while President Shehu Shagari took delivery of the remaining vessels. However, when I returned to power after 2 decades, do you know the Nigerian government sold a ship for $500K, later bought the same ship for $2 million and repaired it with $1.5 million. I was dismayed. I discovered that the shipping line has been liquidated and not a single ship remained. This particular ship story illustrates the management of how Nigeria government and economy is wasted. It was sold for a mere half of a million dollars. Later, they established the Honor Merchant Navy School and required a training ship. Astonishingly, they purchased the same ship, not another one, they previously sold for $500,000. This time, they bought it for $2 million. Additionally, they had to spend $1.5 million to refrigerate it for seaworthiness. Further talking, he said, shortly after assuming the presidency in 1999, the ship embarked on its maiden voyage. However, it was soon detained for being unseaworthy, and I was informed that it needed to pay $1 million fine for its release. I requested time to investigate the matter, and upon close examination determined to inform those responsible for the detention that I had gifted the ship Remarkably, the ship was released the next day. When I told them I was not paying, that I gifted to them, Nigeria didn't have to pay a single dime. You can imagine what transpired in those situations. This is how they destroy the economy of the nation. Those you put in government, be careful. They destroy the nation in no small way. So this is what is happening right now. This is what is going on, and everybody is alarmed, at how things go on in this country. This is Olusegun Obasanjo telling us. He said by the time he came, they were planning to have a fleet of ship. They already had some on ground, and they were preparing to increase this. But guess what? The wishes and wizards that will not let the country go forward, they began to sell it and put money in their pockets. No vision, no plan. Is it that there should be a school for those who are going for, if you want to, once you buy a presidential form, you must go through this training. Okay, let's explain it now. Now, let's say Bola Ahmed Tinubu is there. Now, if you want to buy the interest nomination form for 2027, you must go through a comprehensive course for 2 years to understand everything Nigeria have, in case you win, to set Nigeria on the right track. Because you cannot come from nowhere and begin to put the country within your pockets and within your laps, with no clear-cut, dedication, understanding what the nation is all about, what is our history, what is paramount, what is important, what the people termed as important, and what, the plans and the future plan. I think if we put things like that in place, we will see progress in no small way. However, the people who are supposed to be putting all these plans in place do not care. And unless you have a certificate from that training, okay, and there is a body to check, there is a system in place to ensure that everyone who goes through that, if you don't go through that training, you are not buying presidential election interest form. Everyone who goes through that training, is adequately ready, then you can buy the presidential form. If you have not gone through that training, you can't just wake up one morning because your party is selling, then you go and buy. If we begin to put things like that in place, everybody will be prepared and ready, knowing that when you come in, you don't just cancel the other project. If you do that, you'll be removed from office. You continue, you ensure that things are done properly, you put things in place, and you make sure that there is a structure, plan, course on ground on how these classes will run and what is the benefit. In case you win, you are not running on your own templates. We have things in place. We have everything stationed out on how things will be. By the time we begin to look into all these areas and all these things, I strongly believe that we'll begin to make real tangible progress in order for the nation to advance. But when we keep quiet and when we say nothing, guess what? We are putting ourselves in a very, very devastating position. So Nigerians, if there is any time where people need to be ready and get themselves prepared and get this nation right back on track, this is the time. We need to put a structure and a system in place that helps us navigate through where we are at right now, so that together we can make meaningful impact and getting our nation on track. African democracy is still very fragile. And when something is fragile, anything can happen that can destabilize it. What do? You put measures in place to ensure that such a thing is preserved. But right now, we don't have those things. Leave us a comment. God bless. Bye for now.